Okay, so we're here at the ultrasound place in, I want to say Canyon Lake. And we're signing some papers right now, but we're going to be able to see the 3D print of Baby River. Pretty excited. Just waiting for the family to get here too. But yeah, let's go inside. Yeah!
Alrighty, what are we having? Boy, girls? A boy? Okay. Had a lot of boys lately. Good. So let's see what he's doing in there. Hopefully he's awake for us. So he's already head down, guys.
Oh.
Yeah, so here's the top of his head. I can see a little brain forming in the inside there. Let's see, he's got a little bit of hair, not a whole lot. You see this little white fuzz coming off the top right there. Little hands right in front of the face. Oh, look at his little mouth moving. Yeah, that's his mouth. Oh, it's his little jaw. Right?
See the face now,
Oh, he's got something to say, huh?
Still a boy. Oh, there he is. Yee.
He's got full cheeks. He's big too, huh?
Oh, he's a big one.
He's got full lips.
That's a good one.
Oh, look how much better that is. Hi, Shiny. Let's go, Wilson. He puckers up. Oh my gosh, look at your bottom lip.
He's already.
Dude, that's cool.
Looks like a baby now, huh?
Ayun ang nakikita. You can see his face already.
Oh yeah.